So acid rain is yet another term in which the name is just the starting point. So yes, the rain is acidic, but the consequences, the end result of acid rain are even greater. And so the acid rain has a pH of less than 5 and can be as low as pH 1. And that means there's a very high concentration of hydrogen ions in acid rain. And we can be talking about liquid rain, or even snow or fog, because all those reactions that produce the hydrogen ions can happen in the water, but then it can become freeze into snow or become the gas, the water vapor form as fog. So when acidic rain, snow, or fog falls, this is called acid deposition. It deposits an acid wherever it falls. And so the consequences when acid rain, snow, or fog ends up in liquid water like a lake or a river, well, that can lead to damaging health effects on the life that lives in that water, the fish, or the plants that live in the water. There's also plants that live on the land. So when acidic rain, snow, or fog deposits on trees and plants on land, it can be dangerous to the tree and can eventually kill the tree. And there's also health consequences for humans, that acid rain causes breathing and lung problems. So let's look at, in Los Angeles, we have the situation of smog that comes from nitrogen dioxide. That leads to the type of acid rain from NO2. And when you have acid rain deposited on land, well, this shows the damage of acid rain, that it's killed off this area of what would have been green plants and trees and bushes. One interesting thing about rain is that rain actually does clear out the air of these pollutants, SO2 and NO2. So after a rainy day, if you're paying attention to the air quality index, rain will take up the sulfur dioxide, nitrogen dioxide, and turn into acid rain, but it also clears the air of those pollutants.